Hello, this is Colin Brazendale, and in this video I want to tell you about a new program that's going to be launching next month on the 21st of June, but it's in pre-launch now and you can get paid so long. It's just that, it's called iCoin Pro. Let me start from the beginning. So this is basically a review from iProCoin or iCoin Pro. iCoin Pro. So I'm still getting used to the program name. It's a new program with about 5 different ways of getting paid. And the reason why I looked at it yesterday was because it's Bitcoin. Ever since my paying crypto ads has disappeared, I'm not earning Bitcoin like I did before. Although I'm getting payments from Genesis Mining, I cannot buy any more Bitcoin contracts on Genesis Mining. So I'm a little bit stuck at the moment and I want to do something with my Bitcoin. So I decided on iCoin Pro. Another reason, it's not a rev share, so it doesn't carry the risk that rev share has. But to make this program work to its best, you'll have to refer people. You're going to be in the money line. I'll show you now the money line, but you will not earn that much from the money line alone. So what iCoin Pro main product is going to be training, but they haven't added all the training yet because it's because the official launch is only on the 21st of June. They're still going to load all the training, but you can join so long and build your team, and you'll find on the internet all the leaders are in on this. So and it's actually South African that created, or who's the admin or the owner of this program, De Souza, Paul, I think Paul De Souza is his name, he's a very respected member in the online world, and so I think that's why so many of the leaders are jumping in. But I believe this can be a long-term program, and using your using traffic exchanges and using rev shares as promotional platforms, you can promote this very easily. I'll also show you how to do that. There's Traffic Ad Bar and there's Traffic Hurricane where we can promote this. But yes, if you join my team, obviously I'll show you how to do that. So what I've done is I've registered, but I'm not a paid member yet. They give you about a week to join. In that week, they already place people below you, which is quite unique. I've only seen this once before, and that was with Skinny Body or Skinny Body something. But I never joined that program. But this one, because it's Bitcoin and I'm in a different frame of mind, I've decided I'm going to join. So when you join initially, you don't, if you're not a paid member, then obviously you're not in the matrix, because it's a matrix as well, and you haven't got access to everything, but they keep your email. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to click on sign in. So you need to get into it ASAP. If you see this video, and just click on my link below, register with like you would register with any program, and then afterwards, if you enter in your email and just click on log in, you'll see I didn't log in as a member. You see there your name will be, but I joined yesterday. But here you can see your free temporary pre-enrollee position is in. So I'm in the matrix already, or in the money line. I've got 3 days left to join, but I've decided I'm going to join today anyway. But I'll show you how to do that and how to pay with Bitcoin. You can pay with Bitcoin or with a credit card. So, but if you go to the matrix, just that load, you'll see since yesterday, I've already got 703 paid members joining underneath me, and 7,029 pre-enrollees. So that's about 10%. And I think as each person has got the same timer, so they've got a week to become a paid member. Otherwise, they lose all this. So I think much more of them will join. So I'm going to join to lock in my position. And then, okay, so click here to view all. Okay, let's see what happens if I click on that. So here you can see, okay, here's the paid members in yellow, and then the free members. But yeah, you can see all their names. And yeah, it's 11, more than 11 pages. So that all these people have already been placed underneath. So if you join now, you immediately see the people start coming, because you can see at the left here how the people are joining. There's about 5 or 6 people. There's 4 people joining in the last minute. There's another 5 people joining in the previous minute, and there's another South African joining. So this thing is going like wildfire. I just want to show you the pay plan. So there's 5 ways to get paid. So the first one is a power line bonus, and that is what I just showed you with those people that are placed below you immediately. The power line, there's 3% on level 1, 2, 3, up to level 5 is 3%. This 3%, I'm not, because I'm still new myself, I'm not sure 3% of what it is. Because if you're a paid member, it's $40 per month. And initially there's another $40. So when you join now, you must have $80 ready in your credit card or your Bitcoin wallet to pay. But thereafter it will be $40 per month, and that's another reason why I like this program. There's going to be a recurring income. So as you build your team, you keep your team and you help your team to grow, and they will stay in your team then. And then you're building on a business, on a new online business. So I think that is another reason why I decided to join this. But yes, I'm not going to read all this. It's going to take time. Then there's a fast start bonus. They've got different star ranking. If I join now, I'll be unranked. But as soon as I get members, paid members, the star ranking increases. There's 5 that go up there. And then obviously from each person that I refer now, I get $10. And when I'm a 1 star, then I'll get $15. If I'm 2 stars, I'll get $20. So it goes up. The bigger your matrix, or the bigger your team is, the more commission you get, and the more levels down it goes as well. When I join now, I'll only go 1 level, but as soon as I've got all these guys and I'm a 3 star, I'll get up to 5 levels deep commissions. Then there's a coded Infinity Fast Start Override. Once you achieve the rank of Star Elite, you will earn infinite levels of Fast Start Overrides on the initial order of everyone in your enroller tree, down 3 generations of Star Elite leaders. So there's another. So the first generation is $2 on Star Elite. Then there's a Star Presidential. So there's even a higher one. Then you get $1. Second, and so that's another way of getting paid. Then there's residual income. This is the matrix. So it's a 2x14 matrix. So it's only 2 people, then 2, 2, 2, 2. So it will fill up very quickly. So if you join now, or as soon as the quicker you join, the quicker you'll get into a matrix. And here you can see the commissions. It's all 2.5%. But obviously the highest star ranking, the lower down it goes up to level 4. So if everything is full, which is $32,000 per month. But okay, that is maybe wishful thinking, but we never know if this program is going to be as big as we expect, and there's a lot of rollover from the leaders above. Then hopefully our matrix will fill up quickly. But obviously you mustn't. That's not guaranteed. The best way to guarantee it is to build your own team. Get 2 people and help those 2 people get 2 people again by advertising online. And then matching bonuses. So you get matching bonuses here. You enroll 5 people who each earn $1,000 per month in the matrix. Those people collectively enroll 25 members who each earn $500 per month in the matrix. And those 40 people collectively enroll 100 members. So yeah, you get that commission as well. So here's the percentages. But yeah, to keep this video short, you can go into detail. You can read all the detail here. And then to see the star ratings here, click here to get, oh no, that's to get started. I clicked on the wrong thing there. Let me just see, or let's click, if I click here, it will show the rank. Okay, here's the rank. So to get to be a 1-star, I must have 3 personally enrolled active members, each who paid their membership in current month. Okay, and then the 2-star, you must have 20 active members, and no more than 40% that volume counting from any one individual leg. So yeah, you need quite a lot of people, but now to be sub residential 5,000 active, that's quite a lot. but as if we go back to the pay plan, if you just enroll, focus on to enroll your own people, you get 10 rand per $10 per person, and then as soon as you star 1, you get 15, and then another. So then as your matrix grows, then these are like definite. So you only need 4 people, then you break even. I think it's going to be even less, because if you take these commissions, I still want to see how that is going to work, and all these other different ways of earning as we go along, or as I'm going to join now and then see see what the figures show. That will be the easiest way to learn. But yes, so let's join this program. So just going to click on join. So though I enrolled, I'm in the matrix, but I'm not a paid member, so I must become a paid member. So I'm just going to check all my details here, and then I'm just going to click on option 1. You can get a discount if you pay for 6 months or yearly. I'm going to do option 1. I want to pay monthly, and there you can see plus a one-time $40 sign-up fee. And here I don't want to use my credit card. I've got Bitcoin, so I don't want to use my Bitcoin. I just want to see if my thing is still active. Okay, yes, I'm still logged in there. So here they say we are currently waiting for our Bitcoin exchanges to complete our integration. So it's still pre-launch, so everything's not 100%, but you can. We do not want you to have to wait to get started in iCoin Pro. So we are currently accepting Bitcoin payments directly to our wallet. So we're going to make a payment direct to the wallet. By selecting this option, you must manually send Bitcoin to your Bitcoin wallet within 2 hours of joining. So yeah, normally it's within half an hour, so I'm not worried about the 2 hours. Currently we are not able to support monthly auto ships through Coinbase. Okay, so Coinbase is there. I'm not with Coinbase, so that's not irrelevant to me. I understand that I've selected an option to be charged $79.95 in Bitcoin today, and will continue to be billed $39.95 per month for 30 days, every 30 days, unless I cancel my account. Okay, I agree to the policies, and so just click on here, then you can read the policies and procedures. So I'm just going to click these radio buttons here and click on submit. I expect they're going to give me a Bitcoin wallet now to pay, or the address to pay the money to. Okay, is it loading now, or what happened now? Password does not match, confirm password, invalid phone number. Do they really want my phone number? Let me just give it to them. I wonder if I put my dialing code in here. Okay, let's put that's South Africa's dialing code, and then they want the password. They've already got one here, but okay. Okay, so I've put the password in there. So selected option 1. Click the radio buttons. Let's see if it works now. Submit. Join. Okay. Congratulations on joining iCoin Pro and welcome aboard. So if you've got a Bitcoin wallet on your phone, or if you've got the app, then you can just scan that in there, and it will take off the money off your your Bitcoin wallet. But I like doing it manually because I don't have the coinpayments.net app on my phone, so I'm just going to use that. They don't say the exact amount. Please send in Bitcoin to our Bitcoin wallet. But why? Normally they give the Bitcoin. Okay, please include your username in the notes so we can credit the amount to you. Okay, but what worries me is that they saying please send so much. Because if you send it to Bitcoin, you need to know the Bitcoin amount, and the value changes all the time. But okay, let's see what happens. I think this is an error they made. Information also been emailed to you. Okay, they say they've emailed something to me. So let's go. Maybe they got the Bitcoin amount in here. Here you can see when I joined, it was the 26th. That was yesterday. Okay, here's a welcome. Instructions. Okay, let's see that. Okay, there's the wallet. Congratulations again. Yes, and okay. Just use that. Okay. Reply to this email, including the hash code of the transaction. Okay, so I'll have to send them the hash code. That hash code will look something like that. Okay, all right. Okay, so okay, let's do it then. I'm gonna make go to my wallet, and then here you can see the wallet. So I'm gonna send. You just click on send or withdraw. And I'm always just putting the address first. Oh wait. Now what did I do now? Okay. Yeah. Starts with a 1, ends with a Y. 1 and a Y. Okay. And then okay, 79. So that is the dollar amount. So I hope they get the correct amount. Or they're happy with those Bitcoins. Okay. And then they'll add the fee to me. And then they want my username as a reference. I'll just put that in. Only viewable by you. So I'm not sure if they're going to see this, but okay. Just make sure I've got everything here. The information has been emailed to you. Okay. So let's send the money. Request withdrawal. Okay, withdrawal's been created. An email has been sent. Okay, I need to confirm the email. Okay, so I just click on that. Okay, withdrawal confirmed. Back to balances. Address. Okay, so that's pending now. So that should go through within half an hour. And then they want. Let's just go look at the instructions again. Okay, send in US dollar. Yeah, so they say send in US dollars. So I've done that. Reply to this email. Support, yes. Reply to this email, including the hash code of the transaction, so we can credit your payment to you. Or email us directly. Okay, the hash code looks something like that. So I must look for the hash code. But this might only be after the transaction is completed. So no, it's not that. Okay, so I'll have to go and look for the hash code. Transaction history. Yeah, this is not completed yet, so I'll have to, after that's completed, then I'll find the hash code. somewhere. But so I'm going to stop the video there then, just to keep it short. But so let's click on continue. Okay, so this is all new now, so I'll have to go through all this: marketing tools, contact manager. So yeah, let's see what if this has changed. Oh yeah, okay, now this is changed. Yes, okay, so that's my number, my enroller, and here's all the stars to waiting to be filled. Yeah, so some of these, I think they're waiting for my funds, and then they will. But yeah, we need to keep in mind this is still new as well. View matrix. Yeah, it doesn't tell me now how many people I've got in my, but I'll have to. Let's view list. Okay, levels. Okay. So yeah, I'll have to enroll. Oh, here's my power line view. Let's have a look at that. So that's a power line. So there's already more people in here since I started this video. It's still growing, yes. I think tomorrow it's going to be 1,400 paid members. So yeah, it doesn't give all the detail yet. I can just see that I've got 710 paid members placed in the company power line, and 7,081 pre-enrollees. So yes, I'm very excited about this. I'm going to promote this heavy now, because I don't have a Bitcoin program to promote. So if you join my program, obviously we'll join in a team, and so as soon as you join me, I'll help you get your 2 members. And I'll first get my 2 members, and then they'll obviously be spill over to you. Yes, I'd like you to join my team. Obviously, I'm in South Africa, so the time zone, so it will be best if you're in my time zone, but I can help anybody all over the world. My time zone is Central Africa time, or GMT +2. And any South Africans, you're welcome to contact me. You can call me, email me. I'll put all my details in the description below, and I'll get your help started. And as soon as I learn more, I'll share it with you, either in YouTube or Facebook, or direct email. So yes, I hope this was helpful to you. I just noticed my menu has changed on the left here. So gee, there's a lot of stuff here. So I'm going to go through that as well now. I'm very excited. And yes, it's also now a good time to buy Bitcoin. The Bitcoin price that has fallen 25% of the last 2 days, from 2,750 to 2,000. And so yeah, if you want to get in, I can also help you to get your Bitcoin or buy Bitcoin if you need to buy for the first time, or I can help you with that. Get your Bitcoin wallet and all those. I've got YouTube videos as well. But yes, this is quite a long video, so I'm going to cut it short there. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you for joining my team. If it was any help to you, please give us a thumbs up. If not, thumbs down. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for future updates on iCoin Pro. And yes, my referral link will be in the description below to join my team. And yes, thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.